Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video we will review Xstore control panel features which will help you to improve your e-commerce store, and we will go through step by step how you can get benefit from those features. So don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So we are going to review Xstore control panel or dashboard in the Xstore theme. So for the Xstore control panel, you have to visit Xstore theme, where you have option under the main setting, welcome, and the theme options. Let's click on theme option. When you open theme option, where you will able to adjust your layout, colors, footer, header, mobile panel, and more settings. So you have to review all the settings for your website. Example, I can give you here a general layout where you can change layout of your theme. If you want to go with a wide layout, mobile optimization, mobile user scalable, site preloader, and you have to check every setting according that. Next, let's check out what in the dashboard. So we have here under Xstore Builder. Let's check out Xstore Builder. Under the Xstore Builder, you will able to build your header. If you want to customize or build your custom header or footer, you will able to do so here. Header builder, photo builder, single product builder, product archive builder, my account page, even cart page, checkout page, post single, every setting you have here under the builder. If you look here under the header builder, they have almost 124 pre-built template, where 11 template compatible with Elementor and other with WordPress. So I already created two template here under header builder. If I go to builder, and you have to choose if you want to build your header via Elementor or customizer. If you choose build with Elementor, the Xstore will give you functionality to edit your header within the Elementor. Same in the footer builder, they have a pre-built 69 layouts, single product builder, where you will able to customize your own layouts according your needs. So let's check out other. Go to Xstore again. Okay, so now we have here after Xstore builder, we have import demo, where you will able to choose demo. If you want to choose demo with WP Bakery, that means you will able to customize your theme layout with WP Bakery or Elementor. Then you have to click here Elementor and choose your template. You can choose your template according your niche. If you have a digital marketing agency or other business, grocery market, web agency, sports, you are selling watches, kid toys, you have all type of layout here. Bookstore, niche market. If you have any special or specific niche, you can choose the niche market. Under the niche market, they have a lot of layouts, phone service, animals, and even you will able to see any type of business or like a real estate, online courses. If you have digital product, you can go with the online courses, medical, restaurant. So you have to choose wisely your demo content. If you already installed demo on your website previously, you have to first delete your old content before you install new or import new content on your website. Next, let's go to Sale Booster. Under the Sales Booster, it will give you ability to activate different types of sale booster, progress bar, request a quote. You can always review the sales booster here. And then we have customized image reviews, estimate delivery template. So you have to activate this estimate delivery where you want to display this one. So mostly these pre-built sale booster display on the product page or single product page. Same here, like quantity. If you want to buy 3, get this discount. These all are will be activate on your single product page. Let me go to single product. Let me open any my product here, and where I will able to show you how these sales booster works. You have to first choose what type of sale booster you want to activate, and then I will show you my website here. Then you have like advanced product reviews. If you want to add reviews, account login, and register tabs. So this will work like a tabs or login and registration, wish list, linked variation product, you have to activate these sales booster, and those will be activate on your theme. Let's go to build in email or email builder. You have to activate email builder and go to builder. You will able to build your emails. For example, if you want to build an email upon order completed, order failed, return order, you will able to edit your emails and design your emails under within the Xstore theme or invoices for every type of order status. Let's go to plugin installer. Under the plugin installer, you will able to see a lot of plugins we have here in Xstore theme. Just you have to go ahead and activate or install those plugins you required. Example, if you wanna enable multi-vendor marketplace, you have to activate Light Docan here. Cookies notice and MailChimp for newsletter, contact form. Then we have a total cache, Xstore, advanced sticky header, and then 360 product view. And these are premium. When you once you activate your theme, you will able to install any of these options. Like multi-vendor, we have here plugin. If you want to enable multi-vendor functionality on your website, then QU form, form builder, PDF invoices. It gives you every type of plugin you required in order to run successfully e-commerce business. You also can filter your plugin here, which are active or inactive or premium or free. If you click on free, you will find free plugins here. Under the picture, option picture, you will able to see what type of issue already fixed, or for example, compatibility issue, and you have to apply action, and you have to see the information here what going on your website if there are any issues under in the Xstore theme, because the team of Xstore they update time to time and fix their issues. So you will able to see all the status here if Xstore team has or detect any issue and they already fix it. Next we have a support form where you will able to contact Xstore team. Then content management. Let's click on custom fonts. If you wanna upload custom fonts on Xstore theme, you must have a WAV files, file formats, TTF, WAV2, EOT. These are the different types of fonts which Xstore supports. You have to just upload your fonts here, or you can use customizer typography to select your fonts. Next, sliders, where you will able to build sliders. You have to click here, add new slider. Under the slider, Xstore slider start by. So in the sliders, you will able to select any slider you like, and just you have to click on insert. These sliders will be insert in your slide sections. So let's go back. For the sliders, you will able to add your sliders anywhere on the home page. Let me show you how you can add sliders. For the sliders, if I open my home page and add it with Elementor, if you're using Elementor, then you have to look here, add element, and search here slide or slider. You will find here one element Xstore slide. Where you want to display slider, just you have to drag it and choose your slider. The slider you will make here, you will use this slider. They will add into the slider section. If you click on here under the custom fonts slides, all the slider will be here. Make sure you add like slide 1, slide 2 into the each slide. How you can add into the each slide, you have to choose, like if I quick edit, you have to, when you make slider, if I example edit this slider, you have to choose the categories here. If I go back, so you will able to add sliders, and then it after this we have a mega menus. Under the mega menu, you will able to build your mega menus for your website. You have to click here, add new mega menu, and it will give you different types of layouts of mega menu which you can use for your website. If you want to review these mega menu, just go ahead, click on review, and you will able to review all the mega menus, how they look like, and you are easy and it's easy to edit with Elementor. Just you have to click insert and start customizing your mega menus. After the mega menus, we have here static block. Static block can be anything, like you wanna design any particular design or layout in the static block. You can easily display on your home page. If I show you the cart block, if I click on view, and I will able to view this particular static block. So this is the static block for the payment security. Same as a access store slider, you also able to drag static block anywhere on your home page. If I go to home page here, you have to just you have to delete here slide and search for static, static, and scroll down. You will see static blocks. You have to use static block and drag to your home page where you want to use those static block designs. If you click here add new static block, and you will able to add new static block. You can design different types of static for your website. Let's click on next visits, where you will able to check all the visits available on your website. You have a main sidebar, after product, single product sidebar, and then cart area. You also can add uh, as you can see here under the cart area there is a static block. I'm pretty sure this is a cart block, the payment one, this one in the cart page. So you can also add different types of static block in the widget options. In the widget, you have to look where you want to display the static block or anything. Just you have to look the option like after product, single product page. That means this particular element will display on the single product page. Cart area, that means this particular area for the cart. Widgets you want to show in the cart, you have to just look here static and drag it here. You can drag it simply. You want to use example the brand list example this into the cart area, just to drag it here. When you drag it, just to do your setting here. If you want to delete, click delete. So this way you can add, you have to look here available widgets, and that means you will able to use these widgets anywhere on your website under the widgets. So example about author. If you wanna display about author, mostly we display about author in the blog page or blog sidebar. So what I will do, I will look for if there is a blog widget available. If not, you can display if you have available any other area like pre-footer area. You can drag it here. Simply you have to drag it where you want to display it. After the widget, let's check out what we have. Portfolio. The portfolio, you will able to make portfolio for your website. You have to just add new portfolio or project where you will able to add different types of project or portfolios. Next option under the performance and optimization, which is very important, is speed optimization. You have to carefully do these settings. Before you do speed optimization setting, I always recommend keep backup of your website. Then example here, you wanna enable lazy loading on your website. Select lazy and some other setting to improve your website JavaScript, fonts, Ajax menu drop down. Just enable them and it will optimize that way. Menu cache, so it will cache the menu section. So it will reduce the load on the website and provide fast performance. You have to carefully enable these things. If you're just a beginner, you can just enable some of these things like lazy load and old browser support. Cache, I can recommend you to enable cache. If you are using drop down menu, you can enable this cache and menu cache, Ajax search, static block cache. We use example earlier, I explained about static block. You can display anywhere, just enable it. So it will cache the static blocks. So that means the system will remember those pages, so that you will save your time to preload or to sometime your elements are heavy on the home page. Sometime if I show you any section, example this product section, if the product section has heavy images, so sometime when you open a website that still loading, that's because the system have to preload or system have to load all the images one by one. But if you use cache, once the, for example, I'm customer, I already visit one time. If I visit this website again, So the system will remember all these YZ and it will optimize for me for next time, because the system save cache in the backend, and next time these things will open more fastly. So you have to check the setting enable cache for the heavy things. Like that's why they mention here like a mega menu. They might put more extra load on the website. You can enable cache for them for the heavy things here. CSS magnifications, you can use CSS to clean your codes on your website, remove query stings. You have to enable this one to optimize your website. Disable emoji. If your website does not have emojis, you can enable these things. Elementor dialog. Disable theme swiper JS. Image big image size threshold, you can set threshold. So the even you upload the heavy images, the system will automatic select this particular size for the images. Okay, so you have to carefully do the, but I will also make a separate video on speed optimization and explain you better way how you can improve your theme. And then we have after optimization X AMP store. What is AMP? AMP build for the mobile layouts. If you want to optimize the mobile layout of your theme, you have to enable AMP store. But if you're not see this option AMP store, first you have to go to plugin installer and activate the AMP here. This one you have to activate it. Then you will see AMP options on the sidebar. Let's go to AMP. Yeah, AMP store, and you have to do setting here like custom upload your logo and in the AMP. This is the, we call it, we can say this is the second version of your website or copy of your website which optimize for the mobile units especially. You have to choose your menu here, and then there is a search results. People will able to search product, also post. If you don't want, just hide them. Only you want to enable product search. Dark version, light version switcher, you can enable it. Save changes, and then when you go to appearance, you will able to change colors for the mobile. And if you go to home page, you will able to adjust what you want to show on the home page. Main slider, then categories, product one, post one, banner. You can also disable if you don't need to make a heavy homepage. You can keep the things limited in the for the mobile unit. It will optimize for the mobile. Then you will see mobile panel add elements. Sometime you see on the mobile unit there are in the bottom there are home, shop, blog, cart. You can adjust, drag these things. If you wanna if you wanna hide them, any of these, just go ahead and hide it from here and save changes. Next setting we have after this, search analytic. Search analytic is very useful for your e-commerce business. The X store has ability to provide you in detail analytic for your customers. So you have to enable this option, and you can see information here. Currently the search data is empty. So that means once the X store theme has some more data about your customer, it will start showing how your customer react on your website, which product are in high demand, and then um, which page people mostly visit, and it will store all the information for you. Next, we have a chat GPT option in the X store theme where you have to provide open API key, chat GPT API key that's paid. If you click this link here, it will guide you how to get API key of ChatGPT. When you enter API key and save, yeah, ChatGPT will enable on your Xstore theme. Social authentication, you will able to provide functionality. People will able to log in with Facebook and Google on your login website login pages. If I go to my website homepage, let me go to the homepage. Once when the people click here like my account or sign up sign in, they will see login with Facebook and Google. For that you have to provide Facebook ad app ID, app secret, same in the Google. You have to check the instructions or theme documentation for more information if you want to enable social login. After that, we have API integration. If you want to integrate third party social media like Instagram, Google Map on your website, then you have to also provide API key. You have to every feature, you will see the link here for more detail. You have to click each link to get more information about particular feature. Maintenance mode, if you want to enable maintenance mode on your website, you have to enable it. So it will set maintenance mode for your website or coming soon page. But if someone you want to show your design to your clients, you can use this link. We call it bypass maintenance. So it will bypass the maintenance mode and people will able to check your website even in the maintenance mode. So it only possible if you provide them this particular link. You have to enter the link here, maintenance mode access key we call it. So people will able to skip the maintenance mode. When you enable this option, make sure click go to pages and create maintenance page. When you click here go to pages, it will your maintenance mode is activate. Add maintenance page by clicking the button below. It will automatic add maintenance mode. You have to just publish it. Let's try out this one. Go to pages, and if you not have a maintenance mode, just go ahead, click add page and name it maintenance mode here and just publish it. That's all. So it will automatic detect the maintenance page. Next, tutorial and support. If you have if you want more information about Xstore control panel, you can check these tutorials. But if you have a more, if you want more information about Xstore theme, if you want me to create another complete tutorial on Xstore theme, you can let me know the topic or you want me to create video on, or if you have question, you also can leave comment. I will definitely reply you there. So if you like my videos, please hit subscribe, like and share my videos. I really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much.